Welcome to 15 Kelly Lane. Westwood Estates, Coventry. It's a double wide mobile home. Going for $224,000. 0.9. Wraparound deck. Mature vegetation. Come on down for the open house today. Saturday, February 14th. Between 1 and 3 o'clock. And Sunday, February 15th. 1 and 3 p.m. Come on down. Check out the high ceilings. Part of the wraparound deck, summer porch, dining room space, large kitchen, laundry room, access the furnace right there, washer and dryer included. Here is the electric, 200 amps. Primary suite. The walk-in closet, nice. And to the primary bath. You could almost put a double vanity there. On to the second full bathroom. Here we go. Here's your host, Bryan Chase. Bedroom number 2. There's the shed in the backyard. And we have this double closet, goes all the way through. $282. Pardon me. 15 Kelly Lane, Coventry, Rhode Island, Westwood Estates. Going for $224,900. Beautiful double wide mobile home park. It's well sought after. Mature trees, and the homes are comfortably separated for optimal privacy. Come on down and check it out tomorrow or today, Sunday, February 15th, 1 to 3 o'clock. Or call me directly for a private showing.